What's going on, family? This is not financial advice. Do your own research. When it comes to the stocks you choose, yeah, that's right. We're giving out free game for you. Man, I want to show you guys my technical analysis on the market for next week. As you know, we got some more earnings coming out starting Monday. So this is just what I got for the upcoming week. So bear with me. So this is the S&P. As you know, they ended down negative 0.57%. Friday. So to me, this is what I got out of this. Whole market is very bearish. As you know, they closed up at the end of the day. They rallied back up. So a measured move from the highs to this big leg down. As you can see, this trend line, they overshot it multiple times, which lead to the break, and they have the new low. So they made a new low, but they closed bearish. So my measured move would be down here around 3,800. As you can see, this yellow line, this is where the measure move would be. Looks like they're in a two-tier range. That would be a key level that I would expect to bounce. Also, on my other time frame, the moving average is around 3,800. So that is a moving average down there as well. It's just not on this chart in particular, but as you can see, they've pretty much been in a range, so they've been in a range from September, look like October, November of last year all the way to now. So they've just been chopping sideways, and they're bound to come down. So all that money that they printed over the pandemic, it would be around this area. So this would be the area that we left off at, around 33. We're just going to say around 3,400 area. That would be where we left off at. So after the pandemic fell in April, as you can see, that was that large pullback. So 3,400 would be a good area for us to see a huge rally from that point. There's a lot of negative catalysts going on in this market, a lot of geopolitical issues, and especially with the inflation going on. But we always see some type of dead cat bounce or relief rally temporarily. So I wouldn't be surprised if we got down to that area. But my first target is around 3,900. That would be the measured move from those highs. So just some market sentiment for next week. And I do have a particular stock that, as you know, I'm trading the SPY, but I do have a particular stock that I would like to put on my watch list, HPQ. As you know, I got this for a long term in my portfolio. They traded up. They've been in a range since December. So all they did was just chop city. And depending on the market, this is going to be my analysis of this stock. So they've been in this is the range they're at the midline. So I'm looking for a break below 36.5. So if they come out and they break below that, I'm looking for a retest of 36 for the ride back down to the lows. So this is the this is the 4 hour. So on the daily chart, this is just me zooming in. This is what I got. So I'm looking for, if they hold support at 36.5, they could bounce back up to about 38 to 39, somewhere in that area. But they're in a range, so they can go either way. But if they hold support, I'm looking for a long call. But if they break below, I'm looking for a put option. So riding all the way back down to the lows, they're moving about 2 to 3% every trading day. So this would just be an easy trade that you can make some good money on, because they don't do a lot of movement during their trading sessions. They do usually one big move, and then they go sideways for the rest of the day. So we'll see what happens short term with this play. But this is on my watch list. So I'll be trading the SPY and this one. So these are my two plays for the week. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.